What's up guys, Dave the Phone Guy back again with another video, and today I have the TicKasa active noise cancellation headphones. So you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna get this box pop, we're gonna explore the contents and do all the things that we do. I'm gonna check out the audio portion, let you know what I think. Then we're also gonna do a mic test and you can let me know in the comments what you think. Before we get started, grab your popcorn, sit back, relax, and make sure you like and subscribe. All right guys, so on the box, let's take a look here. Pretty cool picture. It's kind of an outline shape of the headphone. It says active noise cancellation right there on the box. Nothing on the sides. On the back, it has an aptX codec, CVC HD calls, improved active noise cancellation, 30 hours of playback time. Also comes with a hard carrying case and all day comfort. All right guys, so let's get this box popped. Cool. Open it. There we go. It's sliding nice. All right, in the box, owner's guide, customer care card. It's a nice case. Got a little loop to attach to your bag or something. Let's see here. All right, so what's in here? What do we got? So different external headphone jack, auxiliary cable, USB-A to micro. USB-A to micro. What year is it? USB-A to micro. That's a no-no. USB-C, everything. Come on. What are we thinking? Let's check these out. Let's see if they can redeem themselves from that. The ear pads feel, ooh, so soft. Yeah, that's gonna feel good on my ears. Away, throw this in the box. Let's see. Those feel really comfortable. Right there you can see you have your micro USB port to charge these guys. You have your aux cable input, volume controls, noise cancellation button right here. Let's get them paired up. Let's see, how do we turn these suckers on? All right, so the noise cancellation button is also your power button. Let's get them paired to my phone. So it says in the Bluetooth settings, the actual model number is the TicKasa M700A and C. They are paired up. It did pop up and say that the aptX HD codec was active. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the YouTube Music app and I'm gonna take a listen for a few minutes in my playlist here that I use to test all my headphones. Let's see. The highs are crisp. Bass is good. It's okay. Punchy, not overpowering. I'm probably yelling right now, so sorry. So holding down the volume controls will also start the track over or skip to the next track. The button that's in the middle of the volume controls will pause the music. I'm able to hear all the separation in the instruments. I think there's a lot of room and improvement with the bass itself, but highs are great, mids are super good. Bass isn't bad, but for $130, I think that these should be more punchy, more encumbersome. You should really feel the bass, and I don't feel it. I hear that it's there, but it's punchy, but it's just not, it's not vibrating my brain. That's what I want, vibrations. Anyways, guys, let's move on. Let's see what happens with the mic test, right? Let's see if you're able to talk to somebody clearly with these things, or if you gotta put them down and switch over to a different headset or your phone. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the TicKasa active noise cancellation headphones. How does my voice sound? I can tell you that there's now a clear buzzing in my ears, which is not a good thing. I don't want to hear that while talking on the phone. This is how the TicKasa sounds with ambient noise running in the background. How do they sound? What do you guys think? All right, guys, so overall, I'm not that impressed, to be honest with you. I think they could have did a better job. The music was good. The highs were crispy. The mids were okay, but the bass was lacking. I felt like there should definitely be a lot more boom in these cans. When I started recording audio for the mic portion, there was some buzzing in my ears, which is not a good sign. These may be a defective pair. I'm not sure, but that's my review. That's what I got. That's what we got today. So, if you didn't listen to me in the beginning, make sure you smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.